Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, and then to the advanced, and here you have screen timeout. You can change it to 15 or to 30 seconds, to 1, 2, 5, 10 or even 30 minutes. I'll set it on 2 minutes and we'll be glad with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.